Hello, this is Meilin from Santa Monica, December 2015. I just had my radio show, finished it, got some lovely coconut to drink and eat, came back to get the space that I spoke about on the show, Sacred Sound Surprises on the News for the Soul network, or newsforthesoul.com. And the feeling is a little bit different because at that time it was noon, now it's already 2 o'clock. The light is a little different. A few more people came out because it turned out to be warm. But it felt important for me to send you the image, so you can see what I was speaking about. Or maybe if you haven't listened to the show, you're going to listen to a rerun, a replay. Here's the sand I spoke about. And there's the Pacific Ocean, brought its wisdom, and the lions, and the birds, and so much more. So, a goodbye from Santa Monica. I'm so happy to be here. And this is for you, my dear listeners.